how to add your social media link into your YouTube channel the right way. Like these links you can see here, these are clickable links. When someone click, they can get where you want them to go. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can add this link into a YouTube channel. Hi everyone, welcome to Make Money You. I am Mivumbi, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can add your social media link or even your affiliation link, any link which you want to direct your viewer into your website or wherever you want, right? So I'm going to show you exactly how you look like. And now YouTube will change your link. They're going to be here in about page. That's what the link they're going to be. So I'm going to show you step by step. Now, first thing, there's a two-way how to do this. The first way I want to show you, come here, customize channel, click that one, and you come here to the basic information, click that one, and you go down, keep going down until you see add link. This is the first way to go into this. The second way I'm going to show you, which is going to into your profile, click your profile photo, and go to your YouTube studio, click YouTube studio. When you get here, come down and you're going to see customization. Click that one, please. And when you click that one, you're going to get into basic info. Now click the basic info and keep going down until you see here add link. Here, that's where we're going to add our link. Okay, our social media link. So when you click add link, we're going to add our link here one by one. Here we go, like you see, we go TikTok. You name it, you name the link, you put your link first and then you name it. Like here, TikTok, I put the link and I put TikTok. I'm going to add another link. Let's say Facebook. I put Facebook link and I put here, I name it, it's Facebook. So make sure you put your Facebook profile link. I'm going to add another one. For me, I go my link. When you finish to add your link, the things to remember, you need to click publish. It's very important. So you save our links. Now click public. That means we save our link now. Now I'm going to show you how they look like now. So let me go in my channel. Now, this is how they're going to look like. Can you see here? I go TikTok, I go Facebook, I go buy me coffee, I go my link for my subscription. If you want to subscribe, I go donation link. Okay, this is how you do it. That's how you add your link into your YouTube channel. Now, I'm going to show you how you can position them. If you want to, let's say I want here buy me coffee to be the first link. So you just drag, you position them on top, you move them the way you want. You can rearrange them the way you want, how they to look like. And when you do that, you need to make sure you publish, right? So let's see, I'm going to refresh my page and you can see now, buy me coffee is going to be the first instead of TikTok. This is how they look like now. So now, as you can see here, you can see here, I go buy me coffee, I go people they can subscribe to my channel, and I go donation. So TikTok and Facebook, they are down. So you can rearrange the way you want it. You can play the way you want it. Okay, so let me show you how to remove the link you don't want. Right, so for example, like here, I don't want TikTok and I don't want Facebook in my thing. So I can click here, you come here, remove, you come here, I remove. So now I've got only 3 links. Remember to publish as well. So now I've got only 3 links in my about page. So I'm going to show you how they look like now. So now I got only 3 link: buy me coffee, subscribe, and donation. Now, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe in my channel. I do appreciate your love and support. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and share to others. Until next time, this is Mivumbi. Take care. Bye.